EasyLift equipment ergonomic drum transporters are the safe and ergonomic solution for picking and transporting drums from the floor or a pallet. EasyLift equipment has developed an extensive line of ergonomic drum transporters since our original model was awarded a U.S. patent in 1997. The EL Ergonomic Drum Transporter with air-powered lift is the best choice in areas where DC-powered equipment is not permitted and are perfect for use in food and pharmaceutical applications, as they contain no hydraulic fluids and are virtually maintenance-free. The model seen here features our spark-resistant stainless steel clamping option, which includes an anti-static grounding strap and a rubber belt which supports the lower side of the drum. A single joystick control is used to raise and lower the clamp to the desired height by pulling the joystick back to raise the clamp or pushing it forward to lower the clamp. Both the EG1 single clamping mechanism and EG2L double clamping mechanism are available for this drum transporter. The EG1 single clamping mechanism is capable of gripping most steel, plastic, or fiber chimed drums. The EG2L double clamping mechanism is capable of gripping most steel, plastic, and fiber chimed drums as well, but is recommended when handling very heavy plastic or fiber drums or steel drums with the lids removed. By charging an onboard air tank to 120 psi with an end-user supplied female quarter-inch coupling, the operator is able to achieve approximately 20 10-inch drum lifts per charge with a unit rated at a 600-pound capacity, or approximately 12 10-inch drum lifts per charge for a unit rated at an 800-pound capacity. There are two gauges located on the drum transporter, an operation pressure regulator and an air tank pressure gauge. The air tank pressure gauge is located on the far right side of the tank and provides the overall PSI of the air tank, seen here while the air tank is being charged. Once the air tank has been fully charged to 120 psi, unplug the air hose. For applications that require handling a larger volume of drums, the air line can remain connected for continuous use. Doing so eliminates the need of having to stop and charge the tank. The operation pressure regulator gauge is located on the top of the drum transporter, providing the operator with the PSI level of the lift and lower functions. There is an adjustment knob located underneath the operation pressure regulator, allowing the operator to control the PSI level of the lift and lower function. Before using the drum transporter, the operator should perform a visual inspection of all the air lines and fittings to check for any leaks or damage to the equipment from previous usage. If any damage is located, contact a supervisor immediately. To operate the lift and lower function of the drum transporter, first open the air line to the cylinder. To do so, turn the valve handle, which is located next to the joystick control, so that the handle is parallel with the chrome housing. Prior to proceeding, you should verify that functions are in proper working order. This includes lifting and lowering. It should be noted that the rate of descent will be slower without a load. Once testing is complete, disengage the foot floor lock and begin application. To prepare the drum transporter to grip and lift a drum, push the drum transporter to the corner of the pallet so the lower clamping jaw is below the drum's chime. Keep the clamping mechanism pressed tightly against the side of the drum. It is recommended to apply slight forward pressure as you raise the clamp to ensure a secure grip. Only lift the drum to the minimum height needed for proper floor clearance before transporting the drum to its destination. Never, under any circumstances, should you lift or suspend loads over people. Ergonomic drum transporters require the operator to place or remove drums from the corner of a pallet. The weight of the drum will activate a mechanism causing the upper jaw to clamp down on the chime, securing the drum. All models are capable of lifting the drum a minimum of 20 inches for placement on pallets, floor scales, or containment pallets. We offer additional lift height options to elevate drums as high as 72 inches above floor level. Contact EasyLift Equipment for more details. The drum transporter air tank is rated for 200 psi, but a factory-installed safety valve limits the air pressure to a maximum of 150 psi. Dark-core ergonomic casters allow the operator to easily maneuver the fully loaded machine with minimal effort. When operation is complete or you plan to step away from the equipment, always engage the step-down floor lock. Our ergonomic step-down foot floor lock is easy to engage or release and acts as a parking brake when the transporter is not in use. Leaving the transporter unsecured may allow it to move inadvertently and cause property damage or personal injury. The 12-gallon air tank is equipped with a drain valve to occasionally drain the moisture out of the tank, which is recommended approximately every 30 days, or to remove the air from the tank altogether when storing the transporter for extended periods of time. Switching out clamping heads is an easy process consisting of first, removing a circle cotter pin and a single stainless steel retaining pin and lifting the head up and out of the mast. Next, removing the circle cotter pin and stainless steel retaining pin from the new head and installing it into the mast, lowering it to the desired position. Then finally, reinstalling the stainless steel retaining pin and circle cotter pin to secure the clamping head into place. The clamping head is also adjustable to handle shorter height drums by removing the same stainless steel retaining pin and lowering or raising the clamp position on the mast accordingly. Seen here is the drum transporter using both the EG1 single clamping mechanism and the EG2L double clamping mechanism. The EG1 single clamping mechanism is primarily designed for steel, plastic, and fiber chimed drums. The EG2L double clamping mechanism is capable of gripping most steel, plastic, and fiber chimed drums as well, but is recommended when handling very heavy plastic or fiber drums or steel drums with the lids removed. There is a specific procedure for clamping fiber drums. This includes adjusting the fiber drum guards of the EG2L into the forward position, as seen here. Please consult the manual for the best method for handling fiber drums. Standard models are steel construction with safety yellow powder coating for durability. Optional FDA-approved metallic gray powder coating and stainless steel construction are also available for food and pharmaceutical applications. Additional options include scale systems for verifying weight or performing inventory, as well as a handbrake option. Again, it should be noted that drum weights and the distance the drum is elevated will vary the total number of lifts provided by a single charged air tank. In addition to pneumatic air tank, alternate powered options are available, including manual foot pump, DC powered, or AC powered. When finished, always place the drum transporter in a safe location. Lower the clamp, turn the air line to the cylinder off, and engage the step-down foot floor lock prior to walking away from the equipment. We offer a 30-day free trial toward purchase program for first-time buyers. For more information on our products or to discuss the specifics of your drum handling project, please contact us today.